Team mode is. Hi guys. Hey, what are you doing in school, guys? Vishnuram, what are you doing in school?
Laws of exponents.
What is it, ma?
Laws of exponents.
Laws of exponents. Oh, okay. Okay, that is related to rational expressions and radicals, right? Okay. Easier is are you finding it easy at school?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I don't see the others. Okay. Yeah. We can do this. Dia, what are you studying in school, Dia? Okay, let's review a little bit of what we have learned on the quadratic formula. So you can do 13.3 exercise at home, and we'll do some extensions of solving quadratics. Okay, let's see how we fare. Okay, so that you can do 13th unit completely. Can we go ahead? Ritisha, what are you doing in school?
I think we had our midterms last week, so that was all we were doing.
But what was the last topic you did?
Let me check. I kind of forgot. So,
I'll give you a couple of problems as a review. Happened. What am I sharing with you guys? How about this? Are you able to see my screen? 3y square minus 14y equal to. This is just a review of what we already did. We already did the quadratic formula. I clearly know. But this is just spiraling around it. Okay, do you remember this? That's what it is. Can you find the roots of this quadratic equation and the roots of this quadratic equation? I know it has I in it, but still you can use it.
No, Miss Priya, the last thing we learned is like the if functions, like line segments, basically. I don't know how to explain it, but so we were given like f of x equals, and then there was like a bracket with three functions. If it's below like 50, then we do one function. Between 150, another function, and above 100, then it's like another function. That's what we did.
Oh, so you did piecewise functions, huh?
Yeah, piecewise
Piecewise
function.
functions, okay. Piecewise means you're splitting the function into 3, 4 parts.
Yeah, I forgot the name, but that's what
No
we did.
problem. Makes sense. Go ahead. As long as you understand functions, anything extra you can fill it in, ma. As long as you have fundamentals, then you're good.
Okay.
Go ahead. Find out the roots of this quadratic function and this one. I'm going to go back and forth in the book based on what you're going to study in school as well. After this unit, I'm going to go back and forth. You don't need quadratic optimization right away, but you really need exponential functions. So I'll go back and forth for sure in the book. And I'll try to complete as soon as possible, guys, this book. Go ahead, guys. If you're not able to do, tell me quickly. It's just using quadratic formula, plugging in, but you need to arrange it to make sure they're equal to 0. Again, here you have to arrange it to make it equal to 0 and then find the roots. Why are you making it equal to 0 and then finding? You're finding where z's value will be equal to 0. You're finding where y's value will be equal to 0. In a parabola, when is it equal to 0? When it crosses the x-axis. So that's what you're finding. That is the root. That is the x-intercepts. So that's what you're finding. So you always equate them to 0 and then you find your roots. Is it so? That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right, Vishnuram. Do you want to do it in the board directly?
Oh, no. Can you like tell me?
Oh, you want me to do? Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. Okay. Guys, anybody got it or you want me to wait? Just let me know, guys.
I'm just doing the second one
Oh, yeah.
then.
Okay,
Could
okay.
you
I'll wait.
wait?
Yeah, I'll wait. Thanks. Thanks for letting me know. Oh, wow. Ashvik, did you do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Good. Nice.
Miss Priya, I can't
But
send,
yeah, go ahead, ma.
I can't send my answer on chat.
Yeah, I'll check, ma. Hey, are your signs correct, Ashvik? Can you check once more? Oh, you're not able to chat?
What?
You
Yeah, I can't send my answer.
Hey, what is happening, Johan? Can you check with your mom what is wrong?
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, I'll do that.
Definitely check because I want this issue to get resolved. I don't mind opening the group chat. You know what will happen? Everybody will start chatting with each other. Can you check? Okay, let's identify. Are you logging in from a
I'm
browser?
on an iPad right now, but normally I go from like a computer.
No, iPad. There was one person in Algebra 2 that confirmed that his sister attends using iPad and everything is okay. It's not due to iPad for sure because the other girl that comes, she uses iPad it seems and everything is okay, he says. So I don't think it's because of iPad, but can I message you every see this is a problem for not just you though. I don't know how to solve this now. Some problem with Zoom I see it, but I don't know how to solve. Can you reply to that, Johan?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and show if that's okay with you all. Cham, did you get it?
I'm still working on it.
Okay. Swarit, did you get it?
I think so.
Oh wow. Johan, you're able to chat. We're good.
Yeah, I just replied to your message.
Yeah, hereafter we'll do that.
Okay.
Or you don't find a new chat button, huh?
What?
You don't find a new chat button, a plus icon?
No, I do. It's just whenever I do that, it said I can't chat with you during this session.
Okay. Dia. Oh, okay. Sham, that's correct. Dia. Not really Dia. Okay, I'm going to do it. 3y square minus 19y plus 8 equal to 0. Y will be equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. 19 plus or minus, I forgot what is 19 square. 400, 389 now. 381, 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 18, 26, 361, I think. 361, yes. 361 minus 96 by 6, right? That is 260, 96, right? So 10 minus 4.
265.
265, yeah, okay. 265 by 6. This is your answer. Vishnuram, did you get it?
Yeah.
Aha! Ritisha, that is a simplifiable answer on the second one, right, Ritisha?
Yeah, I wasn't sure if I had to simplify the.
Absolutely, anytime. The second one is a simplifiable answer for you.
But are they right or wrong?
They are right, but you have to simplify.
Okay.
Always simplify and say the answer. Swarit, your second answer is incorrect.
Okay.
Miss Priya is my answer right now.
Wait a minute, I'll check. Vishnuram. Hey, I
Auntie?
don't know, guys. Everybody, for the second answer, whoever gets it right has the wrong sign. So why don't I work out and see?
Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
I have a question.
Yeah.
For the second one, if you wanted to plug in B, would you put 6i?
Correct. See, the thing is, the variable is what here? The
It's
variable
an
is
imaginary
Z.
number.
Yeah, Z.
Frozen.
So this is always taken as B. Plus 7 is taken as C. 1 is taken as A. So minus B plus or
And then-
minus B square means 6i the whole square, right?
So, would it be minus 6i the whole square? 'Cause it's
You can
negative.
take, yeah, minus 6i the whole square. But
But like
see
it would
that
be the same
minus,
thing. It would be the same
see,
thing.
minus 6i the whole square is nothing but minus 1 the whole square and 6i square, right? So I wrote it out as 6i square.
Wait, what?
Minus
would-
6i the whole square, you can write it out as minus 1 times 6 times I the whole square, right?
Yeah, so would that be
Minus
negative
36.
3.
Does that make sense?
Oh, wait, but then I would be -1, right?
Yeah, I is a negative 1. So what happens? Okay, wait. Let me. It's
Oh,
so
okay.
messy in here.
Yeah,
Hold on. You got it?
okay. Yeah, because I didn't know how to I didn't realize how to do 6i squared.
Now you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So here let's say now minus 4 b square minus 4ac, right? AC is what, guys? 8. Yeah, divide by 6. I'll write it down here, guys, to be a little neater. Plus or minus, this is minus 6i square, right? So 36i square is minus 36 minus 8 threes are 4 threes are 12, 12 eights are 96, right? Okay. What is that
Wait,
I'm
what?
getting?
I thought it was one oh, minus 36 for 28.
Yeah, I got minus 36 minus 28.
Wait, well, then what I am getting? I'm not. Oh, sorry,
You
guys.
put the
Sorry,
3.
guys. Sorry. I took this one. This should have been plus 7. So let me rewrite this clearly here. Z square minus 6iz plus 7
Oh,
equal to 0. So 4ac. See, I
plus.
took these two from here. I'm sorry. 1 and a 7. Right? Now, wait. Minus 4ac minus 4. Okay. A is a 1. 7 fours are 28. Thank you. Now, plus or minus 6i plus or minus 8, 9, 10, 14, 1, 64 divide by 6. 6i plus or minus 8i divide by 6. 14i by 6 or minus 2i by 6. What? Am I getting it correct?
No, it's because there's no
It's not
A
6,
one.
right?
A equals to
By
1.
2a. I'm
So
sorry.
It,
See, that's what. Sorry, guys. I really took this and this for the entire thing. Sorry about it. So it is either 7i or what did you get, guys? Minus I, yeah?
Minus I, yeah.
7i or minus I.
Yeah.
Make sense? Something doesn't feel right, guys. Minus b. Minus b is. Okay, did I give it to you incorrectly? Yeah, I gave it to you differently, not from the book. Okay, thank you. Let's move on. Can we move on? Okay. How about this? Suppose if I give you x square plus x plus 11 equal to 0. I give you this and ask you, hey, what type of roots does this what type of roots does this have? Does this quadratic function have? How do you do that?
Use the discriminant.
let's do like A and B, 1.
Can you
C
tell
plus
me? Again, we are revising. I know that we already spent one and we already did one assignment, one rigorous assignment as well. But if I don't go over this, I feel guilty to give this as homework. So, go ahead. What type of roots does this quadratic function have?
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Oh, sorry, Ma. Yes, two of you sent. I did not see, honestly. Okay, let's see. Oh, I see. Why, Ritisha? You could have given a small sentence telling me why as well. Why? Why, Johan?
No, you just want a Y too.
Yeah, just a why, a simple why.
Wait, wait, Auntie, what do you mean by what type of roots?
What type? Okay. The roots can be real, imaginary, right, or repeated, right? And in real, it can be rational roots or irrational roots. How do you,
Mhm.
yes, okay, great.
Okay.
So basically, there is something called discriminant. Yeah, ma, Ratish, I got it. Vishnu Ram, I'm waiting for your answer. I think you guys forgot. See, that's why I'm trying to revise this. Ashwik, that answer was not correct, right? Did you get the answer, Ashwik, for the previous one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one you're sending me the answer, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. So the discriminant, what is a discriminant? What is a discriminant? B square minus 4ac is the discriminant. If this whatever, if you plug in and calculate this, the thing is, if it is, see, I'll put it down here. If the discriminant, this is the way you detect this. We have done a seriously big assignment. D is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Okay. D is greater than 0. D is equal to 0 means it's the same double root it has, meaning x equal to 5, x equal to 5. Like that. D is greater than 0 means it can be rational or irrational. For that, D, if it is a perfect square, D is greater than 0 means D can be a perfect square, D not a perfect square. Right? If D is a perfect square, then the roots are rational and distinct. If D is not a perfect square, roots are irrational. Make sense? Vishnu Ram Swarit, are you able to recollect?
Oh, no.
No? Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll show you something.
I
Good
think I
that you're telling.
understand.
Yeah, you understand, but do you
I
remember
think.
us doing something on it?
Oh,
Yeah.
इधर माना गिरा के दिया.
No problem if you don't remember. I can show you something. Hold on. I will check, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty positive we did this. Let's see. Because this is a very I don't know, guys. Here, how are you all on Alchemist? How are you all on Alchemist? You all left it. I know, right? Unless there is a push or reminder, you guys tend to leave it. It's okay. I'll bring it back, okay? Now let's see. See, guys, what I meant was you need. Where is it? PowerPoint. Okay, see, here you go. Vishnu Ram Swarit, I would like you to see this. October 3, 2025. Remember?
Yeah.
Algebra 1 quadratic. Same. We did
Yeah.
quadratic formula and discriminant together already. This is just a revision. This is not teaching. You see? So
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
when we discussed this, we discussed the discriminant quadratic formula, and these questions were really challenging. Indeed, we discussed some of these the week, successive week as well. This is quite
Um.
an important assignment. Please have a look at it and do it. Okay?
For that,
What is that?
right? Not the assignment. For the discriminant, like knowing like how, like which one is which. If it's a square root of negative number, it would be imaginary, right?
Lima, see, this is what it is. Discriminant can be greater than 0, discriminant equal to 0, discriminant is less than 0. Less than 0 means imaginary roots. Okay,
Yeah.
d equal to 0 means same repeated roots.
So, for the
Example,
imaginary roots, does it count as square root of negative number?
yes, x will be
Okay.
equal to 1 plus 2y. or 4i, like that. I will be there. Square root of negative 1 will be there. That's why discriminant is less than 0. Whatever comes in the square root is a negative.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Here discriminant greater than 0 means it can be a perfect square or not a perfect square. Okay, perfect square means two distinct rational real roots. Rational means it's real roots. Not a perfect square means two distinct irrational roots. Irrational roots means what? Square root of 2, square root of 3, 1 plus square root of 3, 1 minus square root of 3, like that. Makes sense? Okay guys. Now, you know quadratic formula. Applications and extensions. I want to do, but I don't know. Okay, let's see. It goes a lot deeper. Okay, how about this? I'm not going to do. Can I skip 13.5? I feel like it. Really, I feel like it. Okay, let's see. Let's do this one. Let's do 1 or 2 problems in it. Okay, find. Did we do this last week? Find all real numbers such that x by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 will be equal to 3. Do you know how to do this? Guys, I want you to say, do you know how to find the LCM, least common multiple?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. So 1 by x plus 1 by x square. How do you simplify this, guys? Let's do that. I know it comes in algebra too. Doesn't matter. Do you know how to simplify this?
Would it be 1 by x cubed?
Who was that?
No, it wouldn't be.
No, it would be. No problem. You can have it as x cube. You will still get the correct answer, but that's not the LCM. No, you're meaning, see, Johan, it was not to dismiss that. X cube you can do, but you're not getting it simplified. Let me ask you this. If you have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, how do you do that, guys? Do you say 8 as the LCM? No, right? If you have common factors, you don't say 8 as the LCM. So what is the LCM between the two?
4.
4. So here what is the LCM? See,
X
X squared.
exactly, we are just working with numbers here. We are working with variables here. That's the only thing. Here it is x, here it is x times x. So what is the least common multiple? This is the least common multiple. Okay, if that becomes your least common multiple, so you are bringing each denominator to x times x. See, compare this with that denominator. What is missing? So you multiply by x here. What is missing here? Nothing. So multiply by 1, multiply by 1. Now you rewrite everything. You have x square as a common denominator. X times 1 is x plus 1. So the simplified value is x plus 1 by x square. Make sense? Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. See, unless you do that, you cannot do these. That's why there is a bridge, okay? Let's see. But see, as a part of your school, you learn all these in algebra 2 only. These are called rational. Rational means what? Please, when they tell you something, you need to know what each term means. Rational expression means what? Rational always denotes a fraction. Whatever can be expressed as p by q is a rational. That's what the term refers to. Now, if it is p by q, right? Rational expression. See, this is a rational expression. Top as well, you have, it need not be linear. Okay, it can be a polynomial. Top can be a polynomial, bottom can be a polynomial. Have we discussed polynomial? No, right, guys? We have not discussed a polynomial, right? That's okay, guys. Okay, wherever you see with some variables up and down, let's say, you see, then that is a rational expression. Okay, now we are trying, we'll do more before going into this problem. How about this? 1 by x minus 1 plus x by x plus 1. How do we do this? How do we simplify this? See, sometimes we have fractions like 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So what do we do for common denominator?
Multiply them together.
Multiply both. Same thing here. I don't see anything common between the two. So what do we do? I will write, oh, my common denominator is x minus 1 times x plus 1. I write it like that. Now I have to bring each fraction to a common denominator. So let's consider this fraction. What is missing? What is missing in the denominator?
X
X
plus
plus 1.
X plus 1 is missing, so I multiply that by that in the numerator and denominator. So this fraction entirely becomes x plus 1 by x plus 1 times x minus 1. You got it? And then the second fraction, what is missing? X minus 1 is missing. So this fraction becomes this. Now they have common denominator. I can just...
Wait, for the second numerator, wouldn't it be x squared? X squared minus x.
X times x plus 1 number. Wait. Whatever I multiplied, right? See, I forgot to write it here. Wait.
You
This
did times
got
x.
getting multiplied by x minus 1.
Mm.
X minus 1. So x times x minus. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yep, sorry about it. Okay. Now x minus 1, x plus 1 I wrote down. Now I can come by, see, if you write 6, right? If you write 6 as your common denominator, what do? You multiply by 3 in this fraction. So you write it as 3 by 6, right? This fraction, what do? You multiply by 2 and write it out as 2 by 6. Then what do? You add the numerator and just write 5 by 6, right? Same thing I can do here. I have got the common denominator. Now I'll combine this. X plus 1 plus x square minus x. I distribute this. Now this will get cancelled. So the simplified expression is 1 plus x square by x minus 1 times x plus 1. Any questions? You don't need to go in depth, but it's good to know. Since we are touching a little bit up and down, we are taking time. I think I'll take time, meaning I want to finish, but at the same time I want to finish full-fledgedly. Let's see. Go ahead with this. Then will you be able to do this problem, or you want me to try it on the board? Please tell me, guys. If you want to try, you give it a try. Figure it out, right? Then only you will as well understand how to do. What is this? X minus 1. This is x minus 1. Do you want me to do, or you want to try?
We could try.
Yeah, just find the common denominator on the left side. See what you get. And after that, try making it into a quadratic equation with 0 on the other side. If you can't get it, I'll do. Then you solve the quadratic, that's all.
Miss Priya, what do we do after we turn it into a quadratic equation?
You can solve the quadratic equation, find out x value.
Okay.
See, anytime a given expression cannot become undefined in mathematics. When it becomes undefined is whenever you have a fraction and its denominator becomes 0, mathematical expressions become undefined. Did you get that? Mathematical expressions become undefined when your denominator becomes 0, because division by 0 in mathematics is undefined. So that's something you will note. I'll tell you why. Go ahead and solve. I'll help you more.
Auntie,
Yeah.
I think I got the fraction, but I don't know how to turn it into a quadratic equation.
You got a fraction. Okay. Did you cross multiply?
No, like the denominator is Like, do I expand the denominator?
Okay, what was your common denominator? Tell me.
X minus 1 times x minus 2.
Okay, that's correct. What happened to these fractions?
I multiplied both of them. Okay, the first
X
one I
times x minus.
multiplied.
Correct, huh?
Yeah, x times
Then
x
this one?
minus 2, and then x or x minus 1.
Correct. Equal to 3. Correct?
Yeah,
How do you think about meaning? See, the base solid that we learn in fourth grade is only important. Fourth, fifth grade fractions come into picture again. If you have
yeah.
fraction like this, how would you solve? You tell me.
Multiply one side by 2.
Yeah, same thing.
Or,
Yeah, I'll go with you. Multiply one side by two. So like that you can go. Yes. Otherwise, what would I do? Swarit, if I say
Mhm.
1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, right? You will cross multiply both and equate them. Remember proportional cross multiplication strategy in 7th grade that we learn in school. That works here. This year you are learning at school, right? That works here as well. So if you ever get fractions like this, right, you can just cross multiply and equate them. Make sense? No?
Cross multiply.
Huh?
But
Yeah,
like,
cross
what would
multiply
you
means one. Okay, let
no,
me
but
put this
what would
together
you
first.
get
X
from that?
square minus 2x plus x minus 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2 will be equal to 3 by 1. Cross multiplying means this I multiply with 1. X square minus
Yeah,
x minus
and
1 will be equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 6. Now, I
oh, I
bring,
do it to equal, like
yeah,
both,
equal,
like
because there
okay.
is an equal, right?
No, like oh wait, never mind.
You got it?
But then would it have a denominator?
It won't, you're cross multiplying. Okay, 1
Oh,
by 2
yeah,
equal to 2 by 4. If you cross multiply, what happens? 1 times 4
4 and
is
then
equal
2
to
by
2 times
4.
2. You got
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
No,
Okay,
doesn't matter. Meaning we are just revising and wherever we have gaps, we will fill in.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now this would be 2x square minus 8. Honestly talking, when I am working with school based algebra, right? We revise a lot more than we do here. So there's nothing wrong in forgetting and revising it.
Okay.
So this is 2x square minus 8x. Then what? Plus 7, huh?
Yeah.
Plus 7 equal to 0.
And then you want me to find roots?
Yeah, we are on the right path. Wow, good. Yes, find the roots. That's it.
I said my answer, Miss Priya.
1 second, guys. I'm checking. Yeah, I wanted to bring up some discussion, which I was talking to you, but I didn't get further with it. Wait. Uh, so chat window, I minimized it and it went off. I'm not able to get it now. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, but why is this so big? Okay, I'm checking. True plus or minus. Johan, you're almost right, but you missed something, Johan. That is right, Ratisha. You are missing. Yeah, second term is incorrect, Johan and Swarit. Yeah, nice. Two conjugate roots, correct, Shyam. But what are they? For this one, you said two conjugate roots? Oh, for the last
No,
one. For the
the
last
last
one.
one.
Okay. Good. I really like that you remember the word conjugate. If you need help, immediately rise up. I forgot means then I'll do that. Oh, perfectly right, Dia. Correct, Sham. Ashwik, correct. Okay, Johan and Swarit, did you get it? I think you guys missed by a little small thing. X will be equal to minus b. It's a silly mistake. Plus or minus b square minus 4ac divide by 2a. 4 2s are 8, 7 8s are 56. 64 minus 56 is 8, right? So 8 plus or minus root 8 by 2. Okay, from here I'll continue on this side, guys. From here, see, when you look at it, it's very easy.
Wait,
only.
2a?
Huh?
Wouldn't it be 2a, 4?
Hey,
I'm
coming. I did not finish. 8
Oh,
plus or minus root 8 by 2, right? Root 8 is simplifiable. 8 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2.
oh.
Separately divide both. 4. Did I make a mistake?
I thought it was divided by 4 because 2a on the bottom.
Thank
Divided by
you.
4.
Thank you. Okay, my mind is not working properly. Bad. Okay, this one plus or minus root 2 by 2. That's it.
Uh-oh. Okay.
That's all you missed. Johan, did you get it too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was just a silly. Can I move on? Vishnu Ram, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'll leave it in here, okay? Let's do the chapter 13 review problems for homework this week. Okay, I want to move on to arithmetic geometric sequences. Let's see. I don't know. Have you all worked on arithmetic geometric sequence? If you've already worked on it, then I'll be a little fast. So have you worked on arithmetic geometric sequences?
Yeah, I have.
What? Arithmetic geometric sequences as well?
Yeah.
Okay, who else has worked on arithmetic geometric sequences?
I know arithmetic, not geometry.
Okay, how about the others? Please, guys, let me know, guys, quick.
I know there's like 2 formulas.
Oh, you know the two formula for both, huh?
I know there's 2 formulas. I think I forgot the 2.
Okay, okay, taken. Whatever you have in your brain, you should say. Ashwik, I had a question. Are you going to CB Algebra 1 or not?
I don't know. I have to ask my mom.
Okay, let's discuss, Ashwik, your mom, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, sometime we definitely need to discuss.
Okay.
But you know, you're in Prosper, right?
Yeah.
Prosper ISD implemented a hard stop for all the CBEs. Did you see that?
No.
Okay, sometime I should communicate with your mom, okay? Since
Okay.
last July, they are not promoting any CBEs, but yeah, let me know, meaning ask your mom to ping sometime.
Okay.
Without fail, okay, yeah. So now, guys, let's go to this. I just want you to show something. Okay, let's say I have input output table. Okay, why I'll write it as f of x. Okay, input output table where I have the first term of the sequence, second term of a sequence, third term of a sequence, fourth term of a sequence. Okay, the sequence values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that it goes on. Now, can you tell me the rule for this table? What is the rule for this table? How do I write the nth term?
Multiply by 2.
Sure.
Multiply?
No, multiply
Oh
x
no,
plus 2.
from x or no, not from.
Okay, what I meant to ask was, how will you write my function f of n? Let's say I have my first term. I know what is my first term. I have my first term. From there, how am I to write the nth term? See, think about it closely. Okay, you don't need to go to n. Okay, let's write it for f of 3. You have f
Oh,
of 1. What do you do with f of 1 to get to f of 3?
plus the difference.
Yeah, but how many differences?
Plus 4.
N minus 1 times the difference.
Good. So basically, if you want 3, you will add 2 differences. This is called this common difference. Common difference is a successive term minus the previous term. Remember, guys, it's not 2 minus 4. It's 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6, 10 minus 8. So to get f of 3 from f of 1, What is f of 3? F of 3 is the function's value when input is 3. Function's value when input is 1. Please say it like that. It is not f times 3, f times 1. Please don't say that, okay? So f of 3 equal to f of 1 plus how many 2's are getting added is 1 less than this. Okay, so to find out f of 4, what I'll do from f of 1? I will add how many 2's? 3 2's. So for f of n, how will I write it? F of 1 plus how many 2's I'll add?
2 of n. Or
2 times how many 2's I'll add?
And
n minus 1. If this is 4, this is 3. If this is 2, this is 2. 3, 2. 4, 3. N means n minus 1. Got it? So, to find out my nth term, or I can write it out as an equal to a1 plus 2d. D is the common difference. a1 is the first term, nth term. So if you're given the first term and the common difference, I'm sorry, this is not 2d, right? I'm sorry, wait.
Isn't it n minus 1 times d?
N minus 1 times d, 2 is d right here.
Yeah. That's what it has.
You
We
will
did
add common difference n minus 1 times.
we did this at school like last week.
Oh, nice. That is why I'm forced to go back and forth in the book. I know what you're discussing in school. So it's better that I ramp up and make sure you're covered for school as much as I can so that you'll have good understanding. So here, this is called the explicit formula. First of all, the thing is, this is called the explicit formula where you are able to find the nth term of a sequence using the first term of the sequence. Suppose an I want to find out from an minus 1. What should I do, guys? An I have to find, but I have a of n minus 1, meaning I have the third term. I want to find the fourth term. What will I do? What will I do to the third term to get the fourth term?
Just add it by 2.
Just add the common difference. That's it. So, if you have a term and want to find the next term, you use the recursive formula. Okay, if you have the first term and you want to find the nth term, you go with the explicit formula. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Okay, now sequences or output values that differ by common difference, right? They are called arithmetic sequences. They are called arithmetic sequences. Now I'm going to plot them into a graph. 1 indicates a 2. If I input 1, output is a 2. If I input 2, output is a 4. If I input 3, output is a 6. Make sense? Now, when I plot it, what does it form? Arithmetic sequences, when plotted into a graph, are linear. They form lines. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, now I have a question for you. You know, this is f of n is equal to f of 1 plus 2 times n minus, n minus 1 times d, correct? How does it relate to y equal to mx plus b? How does it relate to y equal to mx plus b? Are you able to connect something? Are you able to connect something? Not yet?
Would it just be like a linear equation?
Yes, it is a linear equation. What is related to what? What is related to what? Okay, let me not get you to too much of.
Would the first term be the y-intercept and the common difference be the slope?
Good. What is it? Come again.
Would the first term be the y-intercept and the common difference be the slope?
First term is the y-intercept because this is the first term. When you get started, whatever value is in there, right?
Yeah.
That is the same as this. Do you guys get it? Do you get it? And the slope, yes, it is the common difference. Do you see it, guys? So that's what it is. That's how this is related. Arithmetic sequences are related to linear equations. Any questions? See, I am making my explanations very short though, okay? Let me give you one or two problems and then go to geometric sequences as well today itself. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, I have this -9. You're able to see my board? Not really? -9, -5, -1, 3, 7. You can find the common difference, guys. Okay, you can find out the first term. You have the formula with you. Write the explicit formula for the nth term of the sequence. You can either write it as function of n or an.
Wait, you want explicit or recursive, Miss Priya?
Recursive, you will all do. You will just add d and tell me. I don't want that. Explicit
so
formula is
explicit.
what I want. Explicit, yes. That's what is hard.
Wait, what number are we trying to find?
We are trying to find the nth term.
Oh, okay.
Vishnu Ram, you gave me one idea to make you ask another question. What is f of 10?
Okay.
This one is just a revision of your school, but at the same time, I know Sham might not have come across. So I just want to go ahead and review that. One critical thinking question I have after this. Go ahead. I saw some answers. Wow, Johan, good job. Have you also studied geometric sequence? Why don't you do the second problem, Johan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you also done geometric sequences at school, Johan?
Yeah, I have.
Hmm?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, it speaks for itself. Okay.
Miss Priya sent my first answer.
1 minute. Yes, ma. I'm checking Sham's answer. 1 minute. I am not getting Sham. What did you do? How did you do that? Oh, okay. Wait. I think Sham's answer is right. Wow. Johan, you know what? You can simplify your answer, right? Do you see, ma? See, you can simplify your answer, Johan. Sham. Good job, Sham.
Thank you.
7f of 1. Wait. Swarit, the
No.
way you write,
Yeah, I wrote it was
Like,
I
correct.
accidentally
The way you wrote is
misread.
everything is correct.
I
But I
misread.
want the formula, meaning the formula, simplified formula, meaning you have to substitute f of 1 and then you simplify it into a constant term plus some n. Like that, I want the answer. You got it?
Wait, what?
Okay, okay, I'll show you. Ritisha, that is correct, ma. Ritisha, you simplified it. Vishnuram, good job, but what is the formula? Okay,
Like the A of n formula?
what I'm saying is, okay, you all found out it is minus 5, minus 9 is a 4. So plus 4 is your common difference, great, okay. What I'm
Yeah.
saying is the first term is minus 9, right, plus you want the f of n formula, right? So
Yeah.
n minus 1 times 4. This is one way of giving this answer, but you can simplify this further. When you think about it, minus 9 plus 4n minus 4, then you combine this and say the formula is 4n minus 13 for f of n. This is the nicest way of saying. You got
Oh,
it?
yeah.
Okay, now there's a second question. This is a critical thinking question. Okay, based on your conceptual understanding, you should be able to find out this. If you really understood the arithmetic sequence, you can answer this. Can you try? 4, there is an arithmetic sequence. That means each of the term differ by the same number. 4, x1, x2, x3, x4 and 18. I want what is x4. Really? Ritisha, can you give it as a fraction?
As a fraction?
Yeah, ma.
Okay.
What is the fraction equal? I don't think the answer is coinciding though. No, I don't think it's right, Amma, Ritisha.
Okay, I'll try again.
Yeah, Johan, that's perfectly right. This one, do you want to do? Yes, Dia, good job. Have you dealt with in school, Dia? Nice. We'll go
How
to
do you
some.
saw how do you saw the second one?
That's what I'm asking you. Why didn't you try? Why didn't you think?
I did, I've been trying, but like I
You've
don't
been
understand.
trying. Can I give you a clue?
Yeah.
They all differ by a common difference. So, how many common differences are there between 18 and 4? That's the biggest clue.
Okay.
That many common differences. So, you can easily find the common difference and use your explicit formula to find out x power of x4.
Miss
They
Priya, I
all
keep getting the same answer for the second one.
keep getting.
Like I didn't get a different answer.
For which one, ma?
For the second one, I got the same answer as I already did before.
Oh, then you may be right. I did not watch that, right? Wait, let me see.
That's not my
Did you
answer.
send? Did you send, Ritisha? Oh,
Yeah,
you're getting 15.2. Okay, okay. Can I go ahead and do? Let's see. If
yeah.
this one I forgot to say the answer was 27. All of you got it, I think. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this second one. Johan, did you get it?
Yeah, that's not my answer.
Sham, you got it?
Yeah.
Vishnu Ram, Swarit, you got it? Let's see. Let's see. I want to see how many of you made it. You're all giving me work, huh? 15 minus 5. Not really. Is it 72 by 5? Johan?
Huh?
I think you made a silly mistake, Johan. Oh, Sham also got the same thing. Wow. Okay, can I check? Can I see, guys? I don't know. There is some mistake for sure. I don't know. Okay, okay. Okay, I think you guys got it. Sham and Johan, you got it, I think. And for that matter, then Ritisha also got it. Let me see. Ritisha, what is the fraction equivalent?
15 1/5.
That's right, Ritisha. I'm sorry, ma.
It's okay.
You
It's
know,
okay.
I have changed the problem from the book. I did not give you the exact problem, and I was checking the book answer. Sorry
Oh
about
no, no, it's okay. It's okay.
it. Okay. For so here, how many common differences are there? 3, 4, 5 common differences. What is 18 minus 4? 12. 12 lah. What is 14, right? Now 14 divided by 5 is one common difference. So the common difference is 14 by 5. Vishnuram, did you get it? You got it, Vishnuram?
Yeah.
Now, how to find out x4? You know f of n is equal to f of 1 plus n minus 1 times d, correct? So, f of 1 is a 4 plus n minus 1 times d, 14 by 5. What is n here? They are asking for, what is this? What is this term? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth term, right? So f of 5 will be equal to 4 plus 5 minus 1, 4 times 14 by 5, correct? So this is 20 plus 50, 56 by 5, right? What did you all get, guys?
76 by 5.
Yeah, that's what I also got. Yeah, 76 by 5. Vishnuram, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Swarit, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is on arithmetic sequence. Now we learned that arithmetic sequence maps to a line, right? Okay, only thing is when you come for next week, right, I would really want you guys to do 21.1 exercise problems and come back, because then only geometric sequence and exponential functions will be easy. 21.1, the number of problems is very less. I am not asking you to go to arithmetic series. There are only 5 problems. Definitely do it and come. It will be useful when we discuss geometric sequences. Okay, arithmetic series we learn a little later. I am going back and forth based on your school as well. Okay, so I really want to cover exponential functions next week. Okay, that is quite important part of algebra 1. So 21.1 exercise and 13th chapter review questions. Any questions for me? Guys, any questions for me? Yes, no. No is also an answer, you know.
No, I get.
Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, tell me. What is that? What is that? Review. I am going to assign review problems of. Please do, guys. I am not assigning alchemist still. Okay. Review problems of chapter 13, but I will bring it back 100% next week. Okay. Review problems of chapter 13 you are going to do. Please do as and when we go. Then only there will be learning. Otherwise, you'll miss and you'll never get to do all this. And then 21.1 exercise. 21.1 exercise, that is on arithmetic sequences, which you have already learned, but the problems are a teeny tiny bit hard. But it's very useful. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Okay, we'll stop here, but the next week we'll do something big. Okay. Have a nice week ahead. If you don't have any questions, feel free to log off.
Alright, bye.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yes, tell me.
I had a math testing.
How did you do?
I got a 270.
Whoa, good score, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. So, on an average, how was the score at school?
It's like in the 230s or 40s.
Ah, were you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
I'm super proud. Do you do alchemist?
Yeah, I am.
Good. How are you doing with UIL? Did you get selected?
Yeah, I did. I had like a basketball at the same day, so it's kind of tricky for me.
Oh, what do you do then?
So they give like practice tests. So
Hmm.
I take the press, like the paper, and then I do my basketball. and then like after I'm done, I just like do the test at home.
Oh, okay. If you have any problems, let me know on those problems too.
Okay.
Okay. Do they give you worksheets and stuff?
Oh yeah.
If you have problems solving them, send it to me.
All right.
I'll solve and send.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions? I'm proud of you, Ashwik.
Thank you.
But you should accelerate sometime because I
Yeah.
think you're getting all hundreds in school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should not be like that. Just because we missed your CBE, you're just like that enjoying your life at school, I feel, in math.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you need to accelerate sometime. Talk to your mom. I don't know how you'll do it, but you have to do.
Okay.
Is there a possibility for you to do geometry and algebra 2 together in school?
No, but some of my friends are in geometry.
Your friends are in geometry already,
Yeah.
but you are in grade 7.
Yeah.
That you can't do anything, but you are already in geometry. Don't worry. By your
Yeah.
skills, you're already in geometry.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, so don't worry at all. Don't compare, okay? But then at some point, that's why I'm asking you to take geometry and algebra 2 together in school.
Okay.
I'll never recommend this for anybody else because it's never a good idea to take 2 in school. But you already are very good with algebra 1. Yeah, you're very good with algebra 1. I am assuming you're going to continue AOPS geometry, correct?
Yeah.
So if we finish that, you should be very good with geometry by next year. So you can take both together.
Okay.
Check if there is a possibility.
All right.
That's what, ask your mom to talk to me, please.
Yeah, I
I'll
will.
give her some ideas. Let's see what works.
Okay.
We need to accelerate you somehow. It's not okay for you to cope. You are nicely enjoying your life at school in math now.
Mhm.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. You have to be challenged. Okay? Bye bye. But you're doing a great job. I'm super proud of you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thanks for sharing for the map score.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.